Lauren. I'm a veterinary technician here at Patt Veterinary Hospital. And today on Patt U, we are going to show you how to administer some flea prevention for your kitties. Right now, this is Brandon. I'm going to be using Brevecto. With the cat Brevectos, it only comes in liquid and topical. There's no oral medication like the dogs. So today, I'm just going to show you quick how to do it. Alrighty. Alright, so first you want to part the fur here so you can see the skin. That's where we want to apply it, right to the skin there, okay? So while that's parted, hold on, bud. You're just going to take your tube. You want to do it to the back of the neck so they can't lick because they love to groom themselves. So we don't want them to clean this off. You're just going to take it and apply it right to that skin there. You want to use the whole tube. I know, bud. And then I like to just close it back up, and that's it. So that's how you apply the Brevecto or any type of liquid topical flea prevention to your cats. Also, you kind of want to just check them every now and then just to make sure they don't have any fleas. Where fleas usually like to hang out would be like the rear end here. So you just kind of just search through. Usually you'll see little black specks. That can possibly be some flea poop. So I don't see anything on him. He looks perfectly clean, which is fantastic. Another sign would be them licking the rear end a lot, scratching and itching, kind of just like looking around like something bit them. That could be a sign that they also have fleas, so you definitely want to just get them checked out. And it also helps keeping them on flea and tick prevention year-round. Even if it's cold, it doesn't matter. Keep it on year-round, just ensures that they won't get any fleas. The reason why you don't want your cat to have fleas, other than the fact that it's just a parasite and ew, would be if they were to ingest a flea, the flea possibly could contain an egg from a tapeworm, and they can infect themselves with tapeworms, which cause, other, GI problems. So that would just break the cycle if you keep them on flea prevention. Also, if they are infested with fleas, they could be in the environment and you can actually start getting bit on the legs. It doesn't cause you any harm or anything, but again, you don't want that. And also, if you're seeing a flea on the cat, even if it's just one or two, they could also be in the environment already. So I would definitely clean the environment, vacuum everything. You can never over vacuum. After you're done vacuuming, make sure you're emptying out the vacuum outside, because if you're vacuuming up inside, you could potentially reinfect the area. And then wash everything that they like to lay in, any type of fabric, in nice, hot, warm water. And you want to do that for about 3 months. The cycle for fleas is pretty long, so you just want to do it for at least 3 months. And you just don't want that hassle. So keeping them on year-round flea prevention would be the best, most ideal, easy way to just prevent this from happening.